Hey guys, today we're here to talk about cheap Chinese replica keys from Amazon and how you shouldn't be stupid like I was and buy them. So this is an original key by Mercedes-Benz. They're quite expensive. They cost about $250 at the dealership. So I thought when my spare key broke, I don't want to spend that kind of money. Let me go on Amazon and find something cheaper. So I went on Amazon and I found something which looked like a Mercedes-Benz key. They look like this. Now, already when I got this, right? So let me grab the original here. I guess you guys can't see that, but the quality of this is actually a lot lower. Okay, that's no surprise. You're only paying 10 bucks for this, but also it doesn't fit together very well. Now, the first thing I found, and this really cost me hours of my life and a big frustration, is that the steel key element, right? It comes in a prefabricated steel mini brick kind of format, right? So this is actually the one from the original key. The other one is just uncut and flat. And I took these to about 4 or 5 shops, and every time I walked in, they said, "We can't do this. We can't cut this. There's too much steel in here. We can't do it for you." I wasted hours and hours trying to go around, find somebody who would cut this. And in the end, nobody could cut this. So I actually had to rip out the original steel key bit from the broken key. And you see here there's a little pin. So I had to hammer that out. Then the key was too big. I had to file that down with a steel filer, which also took a while. Then I embedded that. I crafted a new pin from a needle. And then that was the key element for my new key. Now, the problems don't stop there, right? So I need to transfer the chip. So this is the broken spare key. So the chip is right in here. And these chips have a sensor. I think it's potentially infrared. And this sensor tells your engine management system that you have an original paired key which can start your car. Now, you put all this together and it doesn't fit very well. You can't push the buttons properly. Okay, so let's do this real quick. So here I have the key. So you slide that in there. Oh, and even the power supply from the original has just broken off. Now, forget that demonstration. This key is shot, but I'll just put the cap back on here, right? With this key on it. There you go. I'm going to skip the spring for now just to save some time here. Okay, right. And that's all good until basically you put the batteries in, and then actually it doesn't close properly either. So without the batteries, it fits just snug and everything is well. But with this inside, it wobbles, it doesn't close, it gives false open and close commands to your car. So really, this is junk, okay? If your car doesn't have a chip or a remote system, then yes, okay, potentially, but then you don't need to order this from Amazon. You can go to any key maker and just get that key remade. That's focuses on automotive keys. So one piece of advice, guys, do not go to Amazon and get these cheap replica key fobs from China. It's a proper headache.